Hi friends, our weather is getting warmer. Our temperature is in 50s to 70s. Time to plant our hot weather vegetables. I'm going to plant this little fingers eggplant. I'm going to remove this leaf on the other one too, and I'm going to plant it 1 inch deeper because it's quite windy here. A tablespoon of fertilizer. I added another tablespoon of the fertilizer. This is fish fertilizer. My millionaire's eggplant was planted 3 days ago together with my other flowers. I will keep on using the fish fertilizer once a week for 3 more weeks. Half dose of this twice a week. When they start to flower, also half dose of this twice a week. When they start fruiting, I'm going to use this once a week, the full dose. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Have a nice day.